नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, ओएसिस करियर पॉईंटच्या यूट्यूब चॅनलमध्ये आपलं स्वागत आहे। या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण पाहणार आहोत महा टीईटी पेपर क्रमांक 1 साठी अत्यंत महत्त्वाचा असणारा विषय म्हणजे मराठी व्याकरण। या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण 2013 ते 2020 मध्ये झालेले सर्वच्या सर्व जे इंग्लिश विषयाच्या संदर्भाने प्रश्न आहेत म्हणजे 180 प्रश्न आपण एकाच व्हिडिओद्वारे पाहून घेणार आहोत। तसं आपण प्रत्येक इयरचं म्हणजे 2013चं स्वतंत्र, 2014चं स्वतंत्र अशा 6 प्रश्नपत्रिकांचं स्वतंत्र इंग्लिश विषयाची माहिती देणारे व्हिडिओ बनवलेले आहेत, ज्याची लिंक मी या व्हिडिओच्या डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्समध्ये दिलेली आहे। परंतु येणाऱ्या एक्झामसाठी एकाच वेळेस नजरेखालून सर्वच्या सर्व इंग्लिश प्रश्न तुमच्याकडून जावेत म्हणून 180 प्रश्न आपण एकाच व्हिडिओद्वारे बनवण्याचा प्रयत्न केलेला आहे। तर अधिक वेळ न घेता आपण लगेच 2013 मध्ये जो झालेला पेपर आहे त्या पेपरच्या प्रश्नांचा धावता आढावा पाहून घेऊयात।
क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, choose the correct alternative of verb. When we reach the stadium, the players dash dash already. Have gone, went, had gone, has gone. Correct answer is had gone. Next question, identify the underlined clause in the sentence. The patient was sure that he would recover. Noun clause, adjective clause, adverbial clause of condition. Our answer is noun clause. Next question, choose the correct spelled out. Answer is 4, satellite. Correct spelling is satellite. Next question, choose the correct figure of speech in the given line. Exalt, assure and ring of bells. Simile, metaphor, climax, apostrophe. Our correct answer is apostrophe. Next question, choose the correct synonym of combat. Fight, quarrel, feud, conflict. Correct answer is option number first, fight. Next question, choose the correct assertive sentence of the given sentence. Sentence, how can any burglar open the window? Our correct answer is option number second, the burglar can't open the window. Next question, choose the correct indirect speech of the given sentence. He said, why you call here and disturb me? Our correct answer is option number third, he asked why he had called there and disturbed him. Next question, select the correct neither nor answer of the given sentence. Sentence is Vijayant didn't pay attention to parents, and another sentence, he didn't learn from teachers. Combine the two sentences neither nor. Our correct answer is option number first, Vijayant neither paid attention to parents nor learned from teachers. Next question, choose the correct so that sentence of the given sentence. Sentence is, it was too difficult for Keshav to pay head to teacher. Our correct answer is option number first, it was so difficult that Keshav couldn't pay head to the teacher. Next question, select the correct question tag for given sentence. The sentence, show me the way to the park. Our correct answer is option number 4, will you. Next question, choose the correct passive voice of the sentence. Sentence, where are you attending the meeting? Our correct answer is option number 3, where you are being attending the meeting. Next question, choose the correct preposition. Quinine is an effective antidote dash dash malaria. To, against, for, in. Our correct answer is against, option number 2. Next question, choose the correct exclamatory sentence of the given sentence. Mr. Sen was a great educationist. Mr. Sen was a great educationist. What a great educationist Mr. Sen was. How a great educationist Mr. Sen was. What an educationist Mr. Sen was. What a great educationist was Mr. Sen. Our correct answer is option number first. What a great educationist Mr. Sen was. Next question. Select the correct opposite word of the given opposite word. Integral, minor, major, independent, essential. Our correct answer is option number 3, independent. Next question. Choose the correct alternative. Mr. Kumar spoke in dash dash low voice. A, the, and no article. Our correct answer is option number first, A. Mr. Kumar spoke in a low voice. Next question. Choose the correct comparative degree of the given sentence. Comparative degree. The sentence is, the Shatabdi Express is the most comfortable train. Our correct answer is option number 4. The Shatabdi Express is more comfortable than any other train. Next question. Choose the correct use to sentence of the given sentence. Rishikesh would find a better job. Our correct answer is option number 2. Rishikesh used to find a better job. Next question. Choose the correct no sooner sentence of the given sentence. Sentence is, as soon as Srinath put step into the class, the children become silent. Our correct answer is option number 4. No sooner did Srinath put step into the class than the children become silent. Next question. Choose the correct unless sentence of the given sentence. Sentence is, I shall not forgive him if he hasn't apologized to me. Our correct answer is option number first. I shall not forgive him unless he apologized to me. Next question. Choose the correct WH question to the get underlined part as a answer. We have received your letters. We have received your letters this morning. Correct answer is option number first. What have we received this morning? Next question. Choose the correct not only but also answer of the given. The sentence is, I washed my hands and ate my dinner too. Our correct answer is option number 4. I not only washed my hands but also ate my dinner. Next question. Choose the correct for verbal question of the given sentence. Sentence is, he gave witness at the essential trail. Our correct answer is this question. He gave witness at the essential trail. Our correct answer is option number 3. Did he give witness at the essential trail? Next question. Choose the correct passive voice of the given sentence. The thieves had broken the back door. Our correct answer is option number 2. The back door had been broken by the thieves. Next question. Choose the correct alternative. Mr. Kedar becomes dash dash SP of Pune district. The and a no article. Our correct answer is option number 1, D. Next question. Choose the correct degree sentence from the given sentences. Dr. Ganesh is one of the most popular teachers on our class. Dr. Ganesh is one of the most popular teacher on our class. Dr. Ganesh is the most popular teacher on our class. Dr. Ganesh is more popular teachers of our class. Our correct answer is option number 1. Dr. Ganesh is one of the most popular teachers on our class. Next question. Read the passage and choose the correct answer of the given questions. Next 5 question is depend on passage. 26 answer is option number 1. 27 answer is option number 4. 28 option number first. 29 option number answer is option number 2. And last question, option number, correct answer is option number 4. Now we will solve next year question paper 2014. First question, the place where tiger lives is called convent, kennel, lair, stable. Our correct answer is option number 3, lair. Next question, the noun form of describe is description, distribution, description and description. Our correct answer is option number first, description. Next question, choose the grammatically correct sentence from the given sentence. Please explain me the problem. Please explain for me the problem. Please explain to me the problem. Please explain with me the problem. Our correct answer is option number 3rd. Please explain to me the problem. Next question. Complete the statement in the newspaper report under the following heading by choosing correct verb from the alternatives. A cup of coffee cuts risk diabetes by 7%. An American study has shown that every extra cup of coffee dash by 7%. Our correct answer is option number 4. Cuts the risk of diabetes. Next question. The young one of the horse is called fawn, colt, cub, porkling. Our correct answer is colt. Next question. Rearrange given parts of the sentence so as to form the most complete meaningful sentence. Ashoka was successful. Our correct answer is option number 3. Next question. The cry of owl is called. The cry of owl is called hoot, crook, grunt, scream. Correct answer is hoot. Next question. Choose the correct spelled word from those given below. Hypocrisy is the correct word. Option number 2nd. Then next question. Name part of speech in the given sentence which is underlined. Generally, beauty dwells in form. Our common noun, proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun. Our correct answer is abstract noun. Beauty is a abstract noun. Next question. Choose the correct alternative from the those given below. Sukumar was first person to arrive. A and no article the. Our correct answer is the. Next question. Choose the correct preposition in the given sentence. The robbers broke his shop and looted it. In, open, into, no preposition. Our correct answer is into. The robbers broke into his shop and looted it. Next question. Choose the correct indirect speech of the given sentence. Sentence is Sahili said to Ketki, let's take a taxi now. Our correct answer is option number 1st. Sahili suggested Ketki that they should take a taxi then. Next question. Choose the most correct degree sentence from the given sentence. Very few boys are so industrious as Abhijit. Shivaji was one of the greatest king. Manali was more intelligent than any other woman. No other policy is as good as honesty. Our correct answer is Shivaji was one of the greatest king. Option number 2nd. Next question. Identify the underlined clause. Tell me why you did this. Adjective clause, noun clause, adverb clause of time, adverb clause of interrogation. Our correct answer is noun clause. Next question. Choose the correct no sooner than sentence of the given sentence. Sentence is Kedar was frightened when the needle of the compass jumped. Our correct answer is option number 3rd. No sooner did the needle of the compass jump than Kedar was frightened. Next question. Choose the correct passive voice sentence of the given sentence. Didn't the fire damage the house? Our correct answer is option number 2nd. Was the house not damaged by the fire? Next question. Find out part which has an error. He was very blind to read the smallest of prints. No error. Our correct answer is option number 4, A. Next question. Choose the correct synonym of nasty, unpleasant, natural, genuine, emotional. Our correct answer is option number 1, unpleasant. Next question. Choose the opposite of prescient, extraneous, paralytic, appropriate, pleasant. Our correct answer is option number 1, extraneous. Next question. Choose one word for the given. A man who dances to the tunes of his wife. Slave, chum, effeminate, henpecked. Our correct answer is henpecked. Next question. Choose correct WH question to the get underlined part as answer. Mr. Chetrali grew black lady rose in her garden. Correct answer is option number 3. What did Mrs. Chetrali grow in her garden? Next question is, choose the correct alternative for the given. An insect which has many legs. Vertebrate, centipede, mammal, herbivorous. Our answer is option number 2, centipede. Next question. Which one of the following expresses the best perfect continuous tense? Our answer is option number 3. He had been writing when there was a loud explosion. Next question. Choose correct yes or no type question of the given sentence. Sanjay will have completed his journey. Our correct answer is option number 1. Will Sanjay have completed his journey? Next question. Identify figure of speech in the given line. Oh, my loves like the melodies. Simile, irony, metaphor, pun. Our correct answer is simile. Next question. Read the following passage carefully and select the most correct answer of the given sentences. Next 5 questions is depend on passage. Question 26. Answer is option 4. Question 27. Correct answer is option number 2. Question 28. Correct answer is option number 3. Question 29. Correct option is option number 1. And last question number 30. Correct answer is option number 2. Okay. Now we discuss next year question paper. Choose the proper article of or x. X means not if no article is required. My father, who is teacher, goes to school in the morning. Okay, means we read the sentence once again. My father, who is dash dash teacher, goes to dash dash school in the morning. Our correct answer is option number 3, A, and not article. Means sentence, my father, who is a teacher, goes to no article school in the morning. Next question. Choose the proper alternative to fill in the blank. She has a passion dash dash music. With, for, in, at. She has a passion for music. Correct answer is option number 2. Next question. Choose the correct WH question from the following. Why could not he climb the tree? Why he could not climb the tree? Why could he not climb the tree? Why he not climbed the tree? Correct answer is option number 3. Why could he not climb the tree? Next question. State what part of speech is underlined word. The police said they had reacted as fast as they could. Adjective, adverb, noun, verb. Our correct answer is adverb. Next question. The sentence below is not arranged in proper order. Madhav extended it to his friend who had raced back to the stream with a fallen branch. Our correct answer is option number 1. Next question. In the questions below, only one among the given alternative is correctly spelled. Choose the correct alternative. Answer is option number second, maintenance. It is the correct spelled. Next question. Choose the correct antonym of the given word. Rueful, sorrowful, wishful, hopeful, cheerful. Correct answer is cheerful. Next question. Choose the word same meaning in the given word. Same meaning synonym. Eulogized, flattered, wished, praised, thanked. Our correct answer is praised. Next question. Choose the most suitable one word for the given expression. A traditional short story that teaches a moral lesson, especially on the animals as a characters. Parable, fable, myth, allegory. Correct answer is fable. Next question. Identify which part of the sentence has an error. Despite of his being the best medical treatment, he succumbed to death, or no error. Our correct answer is option number first. Next question. Rearrange the jumbled parts of the R label P, Q, R and S to produce the correct sequence. Sentence is, I saw two roads covered with the yellow, direction in a forest, branching in two different leaves of autumn. Our correct answer is option number 4. Next question. Find out the phrase which can correctly suitable the underlined part of the sentence. If the sentence is correct as it is, the answer is no improvement. Who works hard, success in life. Those working, he works, whoever works, no improvement. Our answer is whoever work. Option number 3. Means who works had success in life. The underline replaced to whoever works. Option number 3. Next question. Choose the alternative which can correctly substitute the underlined part of the sentence. He sets in a sum of money every week for his old age. Sets up, sets along, sets aside, sets with. Our correct answer is option number 3. Sets aside. Next question. Fill in the blank with correct alternative. Apes, gibber, pigs, croak, grunt, bleat, scream. Correct answer is grunt. Next question. Fill in the blank with correct alternative. Cow, calf, deer, fawn, porkling, filly, colt. Correct answer is fawn. Cow, calf, deer, fawn. Next question is, choose the correct passive voice from the given sentence. Someone has stolen my pen. Someone has stolen my pen. Correct answer is my pen has been stolen. Option number 4. Next question. Choose the correct alternative for the given direct speech. Help, help, shouted the woman. The woman shouted for help. The woman shouted that he should help. The woman shouted that someone should help her. The woman shouted and told that help. Then option first, both first and third, both second and fourth, both only third, only first. Correct answer is option number first, both first and third. Next question. Choose the correct alternative. A painter is an artist. Amir Khan is a skilled artist. Okay. The question is depend on homonyms. Only first is correct, only second is correct. Both first and second are correct. Both second and first and second are not correct. Our answer is both first and second are not correct. Next question. Choose the correct alternative. It was 10 a.m. and Jagjit was tired as he dash dash since dawn. Was working, has been working, had been working, is working. Our answer is option number 3, had been working. Next question. Find out which part of the sentence has an error. If the sentence is correct, the answer is no error. Many a student are frustrated because of unemployment. No error. Correct answer is option number 2nd, B. Next question. Fill in the blanks with the best alternative. The room is dash dash to account that all. Enough large, much large enough, too large, large enough. Our correct answer is option number 4, large enough. Next question. Choose the odd man out. Quick, Knight trumped Burrow. Correct answer is option number 4, Burrow. Next question. Choose the mismatched pair from the following. Calf, cows, lady, ladies, monkey, monkeys, army, armies. Correct answer is monkey, monkeys. It is a wrong pair. Next question. Select the combination of numbers so that alphabets arranged accordingly will the meaningful word. Correct answer is of this question option number 3. Next question. Out of the given words, one word is misspelled. Find the misspelled word. Baton, confident, gloom, incredible. Correct answer is baton is a misspelled. Next, read the following passage and answer the question. Select the most appropriate of the alternatives. Next questions are depend on passage. Question number 26, correct answer is option number 2. Question number 27, correct answer is option number 1st. Question number 28, correct answer is option number 3. 29, correct option is option number 1st. And last question, correct answer is option number 3. Okay, we will solve next year question paper. First question, fill in the blanks with the correct alternative. Lion, cub, frog, colt, leopard, cygnette, tadpole. Correct answer is tadpole. Next question. Identify which part of the sentence has an error. According to me, he is the ideal choice for performing this role. Correct answer is option number 1st, D. Next question. Choose the correct passive voice from the given sentence. Some kind of force was during me. Correct answer is 2nd. I was being driven by some kind of force. Next question. Choose the correct antonym of the given word adore. Neglect, overpower, disdain, noble. Correct answer is disdain. Next question. Choose the proper article or no article if required. We play dash dash hour and dash dash half for play. Correct answer is option number 2nd, and a. The sentence is we have an hour. We have an hour and a half for pay. Next question. Choose the correct alternative for the given direct speech. Usha said, what a tall building it is. Correct answer is only A. Only A means Usha exclaimed with wonder that it was a very tall building. Next question. Choose the most suitable one word for the given. Animal that feed on insect. Carnivorous, graminivorous, herbivorous, insectivorous. Insectivorous. Correct answer is option number 4, insectivorous. Next question. Select the combination of numbers so that alphabet arrange according will the meaningful word. Correct answer is option number 3. Next question. Rearrange the jumble words which are labeled P, Q, R, S to product the correct square of the given sentence. Reading books, dash dash dash. Correct answer of this sentence is option number 2nd, P, S, R, Q. Next question. Find out the odd term from the following questions. A crowd of people, a flight of birds, flock of bees, colony of ants. This question is cancelled by. Next question. Fill in the blanks with the correct alternative. It is a news dash dash success of through above. Correct answer is of. It is a news of success. Next question. Fill in the blank with the best alternative. Bulls bellow, mice hiss, low, squeak. Correct answer is squeak. Next question. Select the correct option. What a beautiful house. What a beautiful house. What a beautiful house. What a beautiful house. Correct answer is Option number first, what a beautiful house. Next question, choose the correct word to make the sentence meaningful. My father is dash dash to the poor people. Sad, bad, happy, kind. Correct answer is option number 4, kind. My father is kind to the poor people. Next question is, pick out the most appropriate to fill in the blanks in the same order to make the sentence meaningful, complete. People were dash dash of the two brothers because their behavior seemed dash dash. Cautious, generous. Suspicious, unusual. Anxious, notorious. Aware, disappointed. Our correct answer is option number 2, suspicious and unusual. Next question is, find odd sentence out. Bring a glass of water for me. Ask your question. The goat eats grass. Be ready now. Correct answer is option number 3. The goat eats grass. Next question. Fill in the blanks with the correct alternative. Don't dash dash time. It is very precious. Waste, 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 waste. Correct answer is option number 4, waste. This question is depend on homonyms. Next question, choose the mismatch pair of the following. Child, children, foot, feet, ox, oxes, deer, deer. Correct answer of this question is option number 3, ox, oxes. Choose the correct alternative. Let dash dash have a nice picnic. We, our, us, our. Correct answer is option number 3, us. Next question, fill in the blanks with the best alternatives. Pig, stay, rabbit. Airy, burrow, have, sell. Correct answer is burrow. Next question, select the correct option from seeking permission. I want to make a call. Give me your phone. Can I use your phone? I use your phone. I used your phone. Correct answer is option number 2, can I use your phone? Next question, choose the correct punctuation mark from the sentence. It's 4 o'clock. Question mark, exclamatory mark, comma, apostrophe. Correct answer is option number 4, apostrophe. Next question, if fish, shoal, then star, galaxy, choir, pile, ship. Correct answer is galaxy. Fish, shoal, star, galaxy. Next question, fill in the blanks. A tree grow in dash dash direction. Right, left, upward, downward. Correct answer is upward direction. Next question, choose the correct alternative. In the boat disaster that took place near Patna, more than 30 passengers were dash dash to be drowned. Feared, presumed, believed, thought. Correct answer is option number 1, feared, and option number 2, presumed. 2 answer is correct. Next question, read the following passage carefully and select the most, means next 5 questions depend on passage. 26, correct answer is option number 3. Correct option is option number 3. Next question, question 27, correct option is option number 4. Question 28, correct option is option number 3. 29, correct option number 2. And last question, the title of the passage should be Gandhiji philosophy, option number 4. Okay, now we will discuss next year question paper. First question is, choose the mismatch pair for the following. Goose, geese, sheep, sheeps, life, leaves, deer, deer. Correct answer is sheep, sheeps, option number 2. Next question, choose the correct alternative. He dash dash 15 next birthday. Have been, will been, would be, had been. Correct answer of this question is will been, option number 2. Next question, fill in the blank with proper alternative. Perfect health depends on the dash 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 of a few simple rules of life. Observation, observance, occurrence, adaptation. Correct answer is observance. Next question, choose the which best expresses of underlined word in the sentence. The boy anxious to learn as much as he can. Serious, worried, forced, eager. Correct answer of this sentence is eager. Next question. Count and choose the number of adjectives in the following sentence. It is a good idea to go to Mahabaleshwar by a private car. Correct answer is option number first, 2 adjective. Choose the correct interjection to the complete in the following. Dash dash, at last you have done it. Hurrah, alas, bravo, ouch. Correct answer is option number third, bravo. Next question. Rearrange the jumbled parts of the which are labeled PQRS to produce the correct sequence of the sentence. We have to. Correct answer is option number 4, QPSR. Next question. Fill in the blank with the correct alternative. He treats us dash dash slave like with form for. Correct answer of this sentence is like. He, option number first, like. He treats like slaves. Next question. Find out part of speech sentence has an error. I will put on a note in this regard for your consideration and necessary decision. Correct option is option number 3A. Next question. Choose the most suitable one word for the given expression. One who is interested in the welfare of women. Ascetic, feminist, reckless, reproof. Correct answer is feminist. Next question. Choose the correct alternative. Keats and Bryan are romantic poets, but I prefer the latter. She came to school later than I. Correct answer is both. Option number 3, both first and second are correct. Next question. Fill in the blank with the correct alternative. Cow, calf, lion, colt, cub, cygnette, leveret. Correct answer is cub. Choose the odd term out. Poverty, freedom, wisdom, poor man. Correct answer is option number 4, poor man. Next question. Choose the correct alternative. He prepares coffee dash dash tea above, over, after, to. Correct answer is 2. Next question. Pick out the most effective word from the given. My father is the dash dash brother of my uncle. Older, elder, bigger. Correct answer is option number 3, elder. My father is the elder brother of the uncle. Next 5 question depend on passage. Question number 16. Correct answer is option number 2. Question number 17. Correct option is option number 2nd. 18. Correct option number 3rd. 19. Correct answer is correct option is option number 3. 20. Correct answer is option number 4. Next question. 21. Choose the correct synonym of the given word placid. Clear, dull, enjoyable, calm. Correct answer is option number 4, calm. Next question. Identify which part of the sentence has an error. People who are averse with hard work generally do not succeed in life. No error. Correct answer is option number 3rd, A. Next question. Choose the correct passive voice from the given sentence. It fills a global knowledge gap. Correct answer is option number 3rd. A global knowledge gap is filled by it. Choose the correct alternative for the given direct speech. I said to Vedant, what does it mean? Correct answer is option number 2nd. I asked Vedant what it mean. Next question. Choose an option given the comparative degree of the given sentence. Sachin Tendulkar is the best batsman in India. Correct answer is option number 3rd. Sachin Tendulkar is better than any other batsman in India. Choose the proper articles. It must be dash dash magic fish dash dash fish will grant your wish. Correct answer is option number 4. A and the means sentence like it must be a magic fish, the fish will grant your wish. Next question. Fill in the blank with the correct alternative. Camels grunt, elephants coo, blew, trumped, growl. Correct answer is trumped. Choose the correct antonym of the given sentence. Provoke, attack, convince, graffiti, pacify. Correct answer is option number 4, pacify. Next question. Find out the phrase which can correctly substitute the underlined part of the sentence. A hot head is always loser in life. Correct answer is a rash person. Next question. Choose the correct alternative. I solved a problem dash was very difficult. Who, whose, which, whom. Correct answer is which. Okay. We will discuss next year question paper. Question first. Select the one with the best expression the given sentence in passive voice. I know her. She is known by me. She was known by me. She was known to me. She is known to me. Correct answer of this sentence is option number 4. She is known to me. Next question. Select the word which is the best expresses the given following sentence. Indirect speech. He said to her, are coming to the party. Correct answer is of the sentence second. He asked her whether she was coming to the party. Next question. Choose the correct spelled word. Correct spelled word. Option number 3, millionaire. Next question. Misspelled. Misspelled is option number 4, sergeant. Choose the correct alternative to the fill in the blank. He bought dash dash ice cream and the no article. Correct answer is option number first an. He bought an ice cream. Next question. Choose the correct question tag for the following sentence. This question is cancelled. Next question. Name of the underlined subordinate clause. What you said is absolutely correct. Noun clause, relative clause, adjective clause, adverb clause. Correct answer is noun clause. Next question. Choose the appropriate alternative to fill in the blank. The players remonstrated dash dash the umpire dash dash his partiality. With, to, with, against, to, with. Correct option is option number 2, with, against. Read the following passage. Next 5 questions depend on passage. Answer of 9 question. Answer is 3. Question number 10. Correct answer is option number 1st. Question number 11. Correct answer is option number 4. Question number 12. Correct answer is option number 1st. Question number 13. Correct answer is 4. Next question. Fill in the blank with the most suitable alternative to make the sentence logically in sense. Pranesh told her that dash dash her very well and understanding, understand, understood was understanding. Correct answer is option number 3, understood. Next question. Choose the most suitable alternative in the accordance with the correct use of tense. Correct answer is option number 3. Sanjana has not cooked her breakfast yet. Okay. Next question. Choose the most correct alternative to complete the following sentence. For modern man, there are number of diseases. Suffer, to suffer from, for suffering, to suffer, suffering from. Correct answer is option number 1, to suffer from. Next question. Fill in the blank with the most suitable alternative. I have not written to her dash dash she left America. Before, after, since, for. Correct answer is option number 3, since. Next question. Fill in the blank with the most suitable prepositions. Don't side dash dash those who act contrary dash dash national interest. Correct answer is option number 1, with, to. Next question, find out which part of the sentence has an error. Your statement that you find this bag in the street will not be trusted. Correct answer is option number second, B. Next question, choose the grammatically correct sentence. The team is confident to win the match. The team is confident to winning the match. The team is confident to win the match. The team is confident for winning the match. Correct answer of this question is option number second. The team is confident of the winning the match. Next question, choose the word nearest in the meaning of the underlined part. Nearest, synonym. He is quite parsimonious by nature. Cruel, haughty, prodigal, miserly. Correct answer is miserly. Next question, select the which word is closest to the opposite of the meaning underlined word. He appears to be a pony person. Beautiful, unread, genuine, ugly. Correct answer is genuine. Next question, which of the following part is not correctly match one substitution? One word substitution. Genocide, murder of race. Sorocide, murder of sister. Uxoricide, murder of brother. Matricide, murder of mother. Correct answer of this sentence is Uxoricide, murder of brother. Next question, the young one of the cat is kitten. The young one of frog is called fawn, kid, cygnette, tadpole. Correct answer is tadpole. Next question, the cry of dog is bark. The cry of ape is called low, gibber, coo, hoot. Correct answer is gibber. Option number second. Next question, Sudhir is afraid of books. His family thinks that he is suffering from androphobia, logophobia, bibliophobia, hedonophobia. Correct answer is bibliophobia. Next question, fill in the blanks with a suitable word. Life is to death as pleasure is to suffering, pain, poverty, anguish. Correct answer is pain. Option number second. Next question, choose the correct meaning of the underlined idiom of the sentence. We should guard against our green eye friends. Rich, jealous, handsome, enthusiastic. Correct answer is jealous. Next question, choose the most suitable verb phrase. Choose the most suitable verb phrase for the sentence. While giving evidence in the court, she broke up, broke down with, broke with, and broke down. Correct answer is broke down. Next question, select the combination of number so that letters arranged accordingly will form a meaningful word. Correct option is option number 3. तर अशा प्रकारे मित्रांनो आपण सर्व 6ही वर्षाच्या प्रश्नपत्रिकांचा ॲनालाइज बघितलेला आहे. एक धावता आढावा घेतलेला आहे. याचं डिटेल डिस्क्रिप्शनसाठी तुम्हाला डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्समध्ये लिंक दिली आहे. 6ही व्हिडिओमध्ये 30 प्रश्नांचं डिटेल डिस्क्रिप्शन दिलेलं आहे. व्हिडिओ आवडल्यास लाईक करा, आपल्या मित्रांना शेअर करा व ओएसिस करिअर पॉईंटचे यूट्यूब चॅनल सबस्क्राईब करा. धन्यवाद.